Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And today I'll be working on creating some sympathy cards. Our family has recently experienced a loss, and so I want to get some cards in the mail. And while I'm making some for my personal use for now, I need to go ahead and make sure I have a couple more on hand for the future, so that way I'm not scrambling to put something in the mail at the appointed time. So now I'm actually going to also be creating those cards under the 2022 Craft Challenge prompt that is hosted by Artsy Solutions here on YouTube. Now you can find the challenge in her blog, which there'll be a link below in the description box. And the items that I'll be using, well, let me explain what the challenge for the month of January is. January winter theme ink is the theme. Use hashtag JanFave2022. Use any three of the following: ink, spray, distress inks, paint, alcohol ink, printer, refill ink, ink pen, ballpoint, magic marker, sharper, highlighter. So I've actually already pulled out 3 items that I'm going to be using. This is the BU 3D fabric paint that I found in the Dollar Tree. I've also got Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Spray, Tumbled Glass, and then we have the Vintage Photo Distress Ink by Tim Holtz, obviously, So those will be my 3. I may add a 4th, I don't know. But for now, I am going to be using those inks in this challenge. And I'll also be using a digital that was that I downloaded from Amanda Trout's Patreon channel. For her patrons, she made available this digital. Now it has a variety of different tags, and I'm not sure if they're jelly prints or what how she came about with these. And I printed these on just standard copy paper, but I'll have to obviously back them onto cardstock just so that they're a little bit more stable. And so out of the ones that I downloaded, the 2 that I chose for this particular project are these 2 right here. And this one definitely is my favorite because of the butterflies, obviously. And so I think I'll use 2 from here and 2 from here. Yeah, these will be the smaller cards, and then I'll use that one for the larger cards. So I think I'm going to make 2 larger cards, 2 smaller cards, but we'll see as I go into this. I'm also going to use this with Sympathy stamp set. I bought this a few years back, maybe about 3 years ago. So that'll be fine. And so at this point, because I don't have any direction on that aside from the items that I showed you that I'm using, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys to music and speed it up. And we'll come back here when I'm done and we'll look at the finished products, okay? The finished pieces, I should say. Now, before I move on, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back. And for those who are new to the channel who are not already subscribed, if you like handmade greeting cards and paper crafting, then you're going to want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be made aware of every time I upload something that might pique your interest or share a little bit of inspiration with you, and also so that you can be a part of our creative community here on YouTube. There's also a Facebook link in the description box below in case you want to share any of your creations. We are a growing and thriving community here, as well as across a number of different platforms: Patreon, Facebook, and Discord, the newest one, along with obviously with Twitter and Instagram, but nevertheless mainly here and on Facebook and Patreon. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get busy, and I'll be back. See you guys in a second. is a little bit more intricate of a project than I had anticipated. But nevertheless, we got it done. We got it done. So we have 4 cards. We have this one. I do believe that it is. I've got to wait for it to dry, so I'm not going to handle it too much. But let me just get that out of the way. We've got that one with lace trim, double stacked tags, compliments of Amanda Trout's Patreon channel. Then we have this one. We pray the love of God enfolds you during your journey through grief. And then again, we have the 2 tags. This one is horizontal, not horizontal, you know what I mean, vertical, whatever. I love the butterflies there. Not too fond on how this this ended up there, but it's fine. I think I may probably just have it come off to each side or something like that, or have it draped down. Who knows? And then this one has a little bit of that gold there. I've showed you guys that in another video. And embossing, I've embossed on all of the cards. And then condolences there. I think that's my favorite. This is my favorite card. And then this one, I think I'm going to leave this one off to the side because I may want to add different elements to it. Just to, you know, like something behind here, fabric or something like that. So I'm going to leave this as a future kit that I can use in the event that I want to try my hand at some other type of, oh, I've got to cut the top of that off. Try my hand at some other medium, or you know how our techniques and our supplies have a tendency to change over time. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you picked up maybe some inspiration for your next set of condolences cards or sympathy cards. Prayerfully, you won't have to send any out anytime soon, but if you do and you have time to make a set, at least you'll have some on hand. So oh, did I just put my hand in that paint? Sure did. Oh, I'll get that up. This is what I mean, just not touch nothing. Don't touch a thing. I'll put this over the heat vent. Well, no, I'll put it up on the shelf in that way. There we go. And that'll dry raised. Alright, so that is what we came up with, and I think I executed the challenge pretty well. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Until back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.